Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create a snowing background. We will link the code and the background image in the description of this video. So let's go the code and see what we have over there. So first of all, we should download the Particles.js master. This package could be downloaded free. You will just search Particles.js and in the Google and you will get it right there. We have install it and link it with our HTML file in the previous lesson. So here I have opened this file and I will take only the Particles.js which is there. I will say copy and here paste. Okay, now we have it. I will need also an HTML file. Let's go. We are over here. I will create a new HTML file. I will say HTML file. I will create, for example, snow fall. Okay, so then I will create another custom file. I will say custom JavaScript. So I will say custom snow file, snow fall. Okay, so here over here I will link the script of the the package, the library. I will say source and I will link it. For example, it's Particles.js, and I will link also the custom that we have it over there, which is custom snowfall.js that we have it created now, which is this. Okay, now the HTML is empty, the JavaScript is empty. The HTML here, I will write a DOM element. For example, let's see div. So this is a div, and I will create an ID for that div. I will say ID, and I will call it, for example, snowfall, or any ID you want it. Great. So then I will open the Particles.js just in case, not doing any mistake. I will copy the function which is called Particles.js. Particles.js over here. I will say copy, and I will paste it over here. So I'll say paste, and here I will create. Define this function which will override the function over in the Particles.js library. So this function receives three elements. The first one, which is the ID. The second, which receives the parameter that we want, for example, the size, the width, the speed, and we will know them all now. And the last, which is the callback. We will not talk about the callback now. We will write the ID, which we have it over here. What is the ID over here? It's a snowfall. Copy, and let's go here, paste that ID here. In the next I will do the code. I have a simple code over here. I will copy and paste, and I will explain it so that we could save the time for you. Copy, and we should close this. Then I will paste it. Okay, great. So what do we have over there? Let's see. There's something I think we haven't copied the right. We should copy the code correctly. Okay, so to the beginning, copy, and here paste. Okay, so what do we have here? First of all, we have two functions. Two main parameters, which is the particles, the interactivity. First of all, the particles. In the particles, we have something called number, which we will give it, for example, 100. The shape, which will control, for example, the number controls how many elements you have. The shape controls what type of shapes. We will say it's circle. Then we have the size. The size we have, for example, the size of each element is 10 and is created random. Means some of them are small, some of them are large. So the value is true. The line length means the link between these elements. For example, here the links between them are null. There is no link. Here we will say no, we don't need any link, so we'll disable it. We'll say enable is equal false. Then the movement, we need the movement. Okay, so we say enable true. The speed is 2, and the direction, we have 4 directions. We have from right, from left, from top, and from bottom. The straight, no, means do you want them to go straight from the top to down? No, we said false, means they will go from randomly. They will go randomly. The second element, which is the interactivity. The interactivity controls the events. So we have here detect on the canvas. So these elements will be in a canvas. Events, when we hover, We need no action. We could make an action when we hover it. Okay, so the modes here we have push. When we click in any place, we will push particles, means 12 particle. When you push, for example, over here, you create, when you push, you create 12 element. Okay, so this is the element that we have it over there. So let's change the, let's ensure from the ID. The ID is here. Let's see how we have changed the ID. The ID is snowfall, copy. Okay. Paste. Save it and refresh and see what we have. Snowfall is here. Let's double click. You should notice that the color is white now. We should change the color. We will say the background color here. I will see the style, and I will see here. Let's see the ID. We have it snowfall. Then I will say background color. Let's see that color. Okay, save it. Now let's refresh and see what we have. Okay, now it's working perfectly. Now the last step is to change the background to background image. So I will copy the image that I have it here. Where is the image? It's here, and it is here. Okay, I will see copy, return back to the place we have it, and I will see paste. Now the image, we will change this. We will see background image, and we will see URL, and we will write the image. We have it over here. Save it. Now refresh. It's here. We will adjust the height and the width of the image. See semicolon. Let's see background height, background size, and we'll see the width is 100 pixel. 100%, and the second is auto. Let's try. Save it. Refresh, and here we are. So this was the lesson. We could increase, for example, how many elements we have it over there by increasing the elements that we have it. For example, here you could see there's a lot of elements over there. Okay, we could increase it by increasing the values over here. For example, let's say how many values you need. For example, let's say we need 200. Save it, and when you refresh, it will increase the number of values. And also, if you need to increase the elements over there, if you want, for example, to go from top to down, from vice versa, you could change it and they go up. Great. So this was the lesson for this session. I hope it's easy. I hope it's simple. Let's see bottom. Save it. Refresh. Okay. So thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye.